Start with your Tart crust squishy. Add your Bluerazzleberry Jameez into a spiral. Roll out a thin layer of Minterrific Fluffiwhipz and add it on top of your Tart and your Jameez. Next, place your raspberry and blue raspberry squishy pieces. Add another gooey spiral of Jameez. Then take your Lemonitwist Swirleez and stretch it into a thin strip. Cut or tear small sections and roll these into little balls. Pinch them together and wrap it around your Tart like a necklace. Take more swirlies and stretch it out with your fingers so it's long and delicate, and cut it into small pieces. Add a few more swirly balls. Then link them together with your swirly strips. I love the way that looks. Add your Melonade Drizzlerz glaze and a squishy dollop of whipped cream. Fluff and twist your Minterrific Fluffiwhipz to make some icing for the top of your Tart. And now, give it your best squeeze! Separate the toppings and put your toppings back into their reusable packages to keep them fresh and ready for next time.